swing. Round the corner, not far away, Bing wants to play on the swing today.
Swing, swing, swing! Come on, Flop! Hurry, Flop!
Coming.
Swing! Swing! Not that swing, Flop. This one.
Okay. Hands holding tight.
Yep.
Ready?
Ready!
Whoosh,
Whee!
whoosh,
Woo!
whoosh,
Whee!
whoosh.
Whee!
Whoa.
Higher!
Whoosh,
Woo!
whoosh, whoosh.
Woohoo! Swing, 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 swing! Hurry up, Paget!
Nearly there, Pando.
Hello, Pando.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Paget.
Hi, Flock. Hello, Bing.
Hi.
Come on, Bing. It's my turn. Hurry up.
You could always swing in this one, Pando.
That doesn't go high enough. I want the big swing.
It'll be your turn in a minute.
Bing, how about counting to 10, and then it's Pando's turn?
Okay.
Yes, count to 10.
Yes!
1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Bing's nearly done, Pando. Then it'll be your turn.
9, 10.
Yes!
Okay. Now Pando can have his turn, and when he's counted to 10,
Yes!
it'll be your turn again.
Yes, to 10.
Okay. Look out! Woohoo!
You have to count, Pando.
Woohoo!
Come on, Pando. 1.
Whee!
And when you say 10, then it's my turn again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hurry up, Pando. You're counting too slow.
Woo! Look at me! Whee!
Hey, you're not counting.
What number comes next?
1,
Oh, Floppy's not doing it right.
2.
Why don't we do something else while we're waiting for Pando to count?
Okay.
3. 4.
Are you done?
Yep. Come on, Flop. It's my turn now.
Let's see if Pando's done.
Pando, it's my turn now.
9.
9? You've done that one, Pando. It's Bing's turn now.
9. What comes next?
9 and a half.
10. Say
Bing,
10.
look out! Oh, Bing! Ooh.
Oh no! Sorry, Bing.
Are your feet okay?
Yup.
Are your legs okay?
Yup.
Knees okay?
Yup.
Hands okay.
Yup.
Bottom okay?
Yup.
How about your shoulder? Is your shoulder okay?
Yup.
There, that's better.
I didn't mean to hit you, Bing. I couldn't stop.
Poor Bing. Why did you run in front of the swing?
It was my turn and I wanted Pando to stop.
It was your turn, Bing.
When swings are swingy, they take time to stop.
Yes. Running in front of the swing can't make Pando stop. But now Pando's finished on the swing and it's your turn again.
Ooh, can I push?
Okay.
I kind of like this little swing. Oh,
Push!
whoa! Whoa! Whee! Whoa!
Hi! I was on the swing, and Pando wanted a turn. So I counted to 10, and then I let him get on. But Pando wouldn't count right, and that made me mad. So I tried to stop Pando swinging. But then the swing hit me. Boof! And that hurted. But it wasn't Pando's fault. Then it was my turn again, and Pando pushed me really high. Woohoo! Even if it's your turn, you can't run in front of a swing.
Playing on the swing. It's a Bing thing.
Your turn.
Fireworks. Round the corner, not far away. Bing's waiting for fireworks today.
Flop, flop! I see one! I see a firework!
Oh, where? Can you show me, Bing?
There! It's not a very big firework.
Oh, that's because it's an airplane.
It is! It's an airplane! Meow! Meow!
No fireworks yet, Bing.
I'm gonna do a super loud bangy rocket! Whoosh! Bang!
Oh, super loud.
Don't be scared, Flop.
Oh,
Can we go outside, Flop?
it may be too loud out there, Bing. Ah, Sula and Amma.
Hello, Bing, it's me! Hi, Sula. Hello, Bing, it's me! Hello, Sula. What?
Hello, Bing. Sula can't hear you.
Look, Bing, my ear muffles are making everything quiet.
Everything except for Sula.
Why do you want everything quiet, Sula? What? Why do you want everything quiet? What?
Tell Bing why you're wearing earmuffs, Sula.
I don't like noisy fireworks, Bing. My ear muffles make them quiet. See? Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Oh, I like these. Those are mine, Bing. Fireworks!
Oh, look, Bing. That might be a super bangy rocket.
Where?
Over there. Look. Above the trees.
I can't see it. I can't see it. Let's go outside, Flop. Don't open the door, Bing. You'll let the loud in. But I want to see the rocket. No, Bing. It's too scary. I'm not scared. You haven't got ear muffles. No. Yes. No.
All right, you noisy bangers. I need earmuffs now.
Let's go out. I'm staying here with the quiet.
Good idea, Sula. I'll stay with you.
Okay, let's go.
Whoosh! Ooh! Bang!
Oh, that was pretty loud. You okay, Bing?
Yes.
Oh!
Wee! I like that one.
Oh!
Oh. Is it all finished, Flop?
Let's wait, Bing. There might just be another one.
Whoa. Oh, look. Oh!
Bing!
Bing! What's wrong, Bing?
There was a big bang. Bing needs a little quiet.
Oh. Too loud. Oh.
Oh, poor Bing.
Make them stop, Flop.
I don't think I can, Bing. Maybe we can make them go quiet.
It's okay, Bing. It's all quiet in here.
That bunny needs some ear muffles, Sula. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Here comes a big one.
Let's try these. Ears.
It's all gone quiet. Bing, do they work? What?
Oh, yes. I think those ear gloves work.
Indeed.
Wow. Bing, look. Bing, what?
It's okay, Bing.
Come on, Bing.
Whoa. Ah, that's a super rocket, but not too loud.
Good for you, Bing Bunny. Oh.
Oh, hi. I wanted to see the super loud bangy rockets go pew! Sula wore earmuffs because she was scared of the bangs. I wasn't scared, so I went outside. But then a super loud bangy rocket did bang! And that was too much loud and I was scared. So Flock made me some special ear gloves. You can't stop the bangs, but you can help them be quiet.
Fireworks. There's still a Bing thing.
But only if they're quiet.
Voo Voo. Round the corner, not far away, Bing and Flop make a mess today. Oh, a nice cup of coffee.
Uh-oh.
Never mind, Bing. It's just a little clumbo. Just let Soggy Froggy drink it up.
Soggy Froggy! Look how thirsty Soggy Froggy is.
Indeed. Now, for that nice cup of coffee.
Oops.
Oh,
Flop, it's all spilly.
never mind, Bing. Just another clumbo.
Soggy Froggy really likes it.
Soggy Froggy's always thirsty.
Oh
Oh,
no! Flop, the Crispos fell over.
indeed. Perhaps your car would be better off staying on the floor, Bing.
Yes. And he won't knock over the Crispos.
Do you think Soggy Froggy can drink up Crispos?
Silly Flop. Soggy Froggy eats Crispos. See?
I don't think Soggy Froggy can eat Crispos. I wonder who can.
I can eat it.
But you don't eat off the floor. But I think there is someone who eats off the floor.
Oh, I know! Voo Voo!
Yes. Let's get Voo Voo out.
Voo Voo, wake up!
Voo Voo. We've got a big treat for you.
Yummy, yummy, yummy! All over the floor. Hello, Voo Voo. Hello. Do you want some Crispos? Yes, please. He says yes.
Good thing, too.
Oh, can I do it, Flop?
Okay, Bing. Ready to switch on Voo Voo?
Yep.
Okay.
Go, 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 go! Listen to them going into his tummy.
He must be hungry.
Yum, yum. Yum.
Missed a bit there, Bing.
Ah, here.
Another bit here, Bing.
Oh, there's some.
Done?
One last piece.
Okay. Oh.
No!
Oh,
Flop,
wait
make
a
it
minute.
stop.
Hang on. What's up, Bing?
Voo Voo ate my car.
Voo Voo ate your car? Oh.
Voo Voo, where's my car? I want my car back.
Well, let's see if we can get it back.
How?
I can open him up, and I'll see if I can find your car in his tummy.
Will it hurt?
It's okay. It won't hurt Voo Voo. He has a hatch.
What's a hatch?
It's this little door that opens Voo Voo's tummy.
Ugh.
It's okay. You stand there. It'll be a little dirty.
Oh.
Here goes. I see. Aha! That's where you went. Look,
That's not my car.
there you are.
My car! Vroom. Vroom. Why did Voo Voo eat my car, Flop?
Voo Voo must have eaten it by accident. It was a Clumbo.
Voo Voo, don't eat cars. You get a tummy ache.
Maybe Voo Voo could do with a nap now after eating all those Crispos and your car.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye, Voo Voo. Bye-bye. I'm sleeping now. Don't eat cars. Okay.
Indeed. Oh. Oh, now for that. Oh.
It's okay, Flop. You've just done a Clumbo.
Yep, just another Clumbo.
Voo Voo will eat it up.
Of course.
Now don't be so bad and eat my car, Voo Voo. Okay.
Indeed. You want to push the button, Bing?
Yep.
Okay. Go,
Go, go, go, go, go! Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Thank you, Bing. Now for that nice cup of coffee.
Say thank you to Flop for the yummy coffee. Thank you, Flop. Hi! I spilled Crispos on the floor. Oops. So I helped Flop clean them up. And Voo Voo ate them all. Yum, yum, yum. But Voo Voo gobbled up my car. And I couldn't get it back. Flop got my car out of Voo Voo's tummy. And I couldn't do that because it's electric. It's okay to do a Clumbo, but you have to be careful what you clean up.
Doing a Clumbo. It's a Bing thing.
And we cleaned it up.
Story time. Round the corner, not far away. Bing wants to read a story today.
Flop, can I have my Hoppity Voosh book? Please?
I think the bath's too wet for books, Bing. Even a Hoppity Vush book.
Oh, please, Flop. I really want a story.
Oh, okay. Books don't like baths, so I'll hold it for you over here. Hoppity Vush and the Moon Keeper.
Yay! Hoppity
Hoppity Vush was snoozing in his hammock when he heard
crying. He heard crying. Boo hoo hoo.
Hoppity yawned.
Hoppity likes sleeping.
Who's that crying? Thought Hoppity Vush. Who needs my
He
help?
thinks the star is crying. He needs to fly to the star.
Yes, he does. Whoop. Whoop. That nearly caught Hoppity. So, Hoppity climbed out of his hammock. He stretched and shouted,
Hoppity!
"It's getting rather splashy in here, and books don't like baths, Bing. Let's hop out before Hoppity rushes to the star."
Ooh, that's my favorite part. He's going to whoosh. He goes,
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Doesn't Hoppity need his cape to vush?
oh. Hoppity whoosh!
Okay, let's dry you up. Chugga, 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 chugga. There we go.
Now Hoppity's ready to whoosh to the star.
Then what happens?
Can I hold the book, please? I'm not wet.
Sure.
Hoppity whoosh to the star, but the star is all happy.
Ah, so the star wasn't crying. Well, let's see who was crying. Shall we see what happens next? Hoppity could still hear the boo-hoo-hoo noise.
Flop,
And he realized it was the moon who was crying.
he's got to whoosh to the moon.
Doesn't Hoppity need something first?
Yes, he needs his spacesuit for whooshing to the moon.
Ears? Then what happens?
Hoppity doesn't get to the moon because he gets stuck in a thundery cloud.
Poor Hoppity. Arms?
It's okay, Flop. He whooshes out like this.
Whoosh! The thundercloud made Hoppity's cape so wet that he couldn't vush to the moon.
Look, Flop, he got all drippy.
But just as Hoppity was falling down through the air, the warm wind blows Hoppity dry again.
Yes, the wind goes.
Then what happens?
Huh? Where's my book?
Oh,
There's my book.
oh dear. Your book's all wet.
The water got in my book.
Oh, books really don't like baths.
Oh, can we still read it?
Not tonight, Bing,
Why?
because it's very wet.
Hmm.
The pages are all stuck together. This book needs time to dry out.
But what about my Hoppity story?
Well, we can always tell stories, Bing. We don't need a book for that. Come on, how about we whoosh to your bedroom and tell our own Hoppity story there?
Okay.
Come on.
Whoosh!
Can you remember what Hoppity was doing in the story, Bing?
Hoppity whooshes to the moon.
Indeed. And then?
He finds the moon keeper, and the moon keeper is sad.
So, why is the moonkeeper sad?
Because he can't go to sleep.
Indeed.
And Hoppity sings him a sweet lullaby. Dum, dum, doo doo
And the
doo doo.
moonkeeper
Dum,
fell
dum,
fast
doo, doo.
asleep.
Flop!
Problem solved, said Hoppity Whoosh, and he whooshed all the way home.
Whoosh.
And he snuggled into his cozy hammock and said,
Good night.
That's a very good story. Night-night, Bing.
I wanted to read my Hoppity Whoosh in the Moonkeeper book, and I put on my spacesuit so I could whoosh like Hoppity. But then my book went splish in the bath. And books don't like baths. But it's okay, because if you know the story inside your head, you can still tell it, even if the book is all drippy.
Telling bedtime stories. Shh. It's a Bing thing.
Good night, Flop.
Frog. Round the corner, not far away, Bing and Sula are in the garden today. Oh,
Sorry, Flop. We're helping you water the plants.
indeed.
Here you go. A lovely drink. Oh, what's that? Just leaves. No, look. Hello. It's all dark in there. And wet and slimy. Look, Flop! It's a frog!
Oh, hello, Frog.
Hello, Froggy.
If I was a little frog, that might scare me. You don't want to scare it away, do you?
No. Don't be scared, Froggy. Stay here with us. Go on, Froggy. Jump. Oh, she's all slimy. Look at her googly eyes. Let's keep her. Where? We can make a house. Yeah, a froggy house. Oh, this can be Froggy's house.
Gently, Bing.
Here, Froggy. Why won't she go in, Flop?
Let's give her a moment.
Maybe she doesn't like the bucket house, Bing. Hi, she does.
Oh, gently.
Look, Flop, she's in her house. She's my frog. I find it's her too. Can I keep her, Flop?
Well, that's up to Froggy. She'll stay if she likes it in there.
But it's a bucket. We have to make it all nice. Yes. All nice for Froggy. What do you think she needs? Lunch. Yeah, let's get her a lunch. Wait there, Froggy. Cheese. Frogs don't eat cheese, Bing. Oh, she might like grapes. Here, Froggy. Grapes. Hey, they're my grapes. Oh, please, can Froggy have your grapes, Sula? Okay, but she can only have 2. I'm going to give her lettuce. She isn't eating them. She needs a drink. Milk. Grapes and lettuce and milk. Do you think she likes it? I don't know. Maybe she needs to sleep. She needs a bed. Big. She can't go to sleep in a cup. Yes, she can. Go on. It's nice in there. Maybe she's cold. Don't worry, Froggy. We'll find you something nice and cozy. This is warm. Yeah, okay. Here, Froggy, we got you a blanket. Bing! We're
What's up, Bing?
We can't find Froggy.
Oh.
She didn't like her bucket house, but we gave her everything.
What
Yes.
did you give her?
Some grapes, some lettuce, and milk for her lunch.
Grapes and lettuce and milk
Yes.
for a froggy.
And a bed and a blanket.
A bed and a blanket for a frog.
We made her a real nice froggy house, Flop.
It is a very nice house, but is it nice for a froggy?
It's much more nicer than her pipe. Yeah, she came from a slimy pipe, Flop.
Oh, can you show me?
Look! Froggy! What are you doing in there? We made you a froggy house. With 2 grapes. It's all dark. And wet. And slimy.
Maybe that's what she likes.
Dark and wet and slimy.
Well, she is a frog.
And that's her house. That's her house.
Indeed.
Will she stay, Flop?
She might, Bing, as long as it's dark and wet and slimy.
Okay, Froggy. Ew, I wouldn't like that.
Of course not, Sula. You're not a frog.
Sula's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit.
Sula.
No, I'm not being. Ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. 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 Hi. Me and Sula found a froggy, and we made her a cozy house and some lunch. But Froggy didn't like it, and that was sad. Froggy already had her own house, and that was all dark and wet and slimy. And we lost her, and she had hopped all the way back to her house. In my house, I've got a bed and a blankie, but that's because I'm not a frog, and they like different things than me.
Finding a frog. It's a Bing thing.
Boing, boing, boing.